So what I have here is a 30-second video, and it is one shot, no cuts in it anywhere. I did not stitch this together. I gave it one prompt and this came back. Let me just play it for you first and then I will tell you what it is. Okay, so that is Seedance 2.5 at 1080p, and that is the thing that is actually new here. 30 seconds in one generation. Before this, you were getting 5, maybe 10, and then you were stitching. And the stitching is where it always fell apart. So what we are going to do in this video is 3 things. I'm going to show you the actual workflow on the site. I'm going to run real generations in front of you, and then I'm going to play you every single one of them, start to finish, 30 seconds each, so you can see exactly what comes out. One thing you need to know first, Seedance 2.5 at 1080p is on Higgsfield FIRST before any other platform. So right now, this is the only place you can go and use it. That window is open until Monday. And if you are new, all new users get 5 free generations. You do have to link a credit card to get them. That is the one condition. And that offer ends Tuesday. So if you're going to try this, try it now, not next week. Also, and this is a real one, use Higgsfield on desktop. There is no mobile app. Anything you see on the App Store or the Play Store is not them. So go to the site on your computer. That is the best experience. So what you need to do is to go to higgsfield.ai here, and then you go to Seedance 2.5. You can see it right there on the front page. It says exclusive 1080p on it. Let's go ahead and click that. Now here's the first thing people get wrong. It does not give you 1080p by default, and it does not give you 30 seconds by default. It gives you 720p and 5 seconds. So you have to come here and set both of them yourself. 1080p and drag that all the way to 30. And then I paste the prompt in. This is the whole prompt. I'm not paraphrasing it. Rooftop rain, 2 people sparring, and the important bit is right here, where I say single unbroken 30-second shot, no cuts, and then I describe the camera the whole way through. And then you wait, and I want to be straight with you about this because I sped this bit up. 30 seconds at 1080p took about 15 minutes to come back, not 2 minutes 15, so set it going and go do something else. And that is what came back. Now watch the camera here, because this is the actual test. It goes low, it comes up, it goes all the way around them, and it comes back in. And the 2 of them stay the same 2 people the whole way through. So the thing I keep looking for is the seam, the cut, the moment where the face changes slightly or the light jumps. And in this one, I cannot find it. 30 seconds, one shot. Now this one is a different thing because it does audio as well, and I do not mean background music, I mean the characters talk and it writes the voices. So what I have done is I have written the lines directly into the prompt. I say, she says this, and then the ship's computer answers with this, and I split it by timestamp. 0 to 8 seconds is the corridor, 9 to 16 is her at the window, and so on. And listen to this, that is 2 different voices. Hers is a human voice and the computer is flat and synthetic. And I asked for exactly that in the prompt, and the sound is locked to the picture the whole time. And this is the part I think is actually the big one, the timestamps. You're not writing one paragraph and hoping you're saying this happens here and this happens here. That is directing. Okay, so the other thing 30 seconds buys you is that it does not have to be one shot. You can put a whole scene in there with cuts in it, and it will hold the same people across the cuts. So this is a standoff, wide, then her, then him, then a few quick inserts, then back out wide. That is 5 shots, and it is one generation, same 2 people every time you come back to them. And again, both of them speak, and both of them keep their own voice. She says one line, he answers. That is the bit that used to be impossible.
You could still walk.
So could you. Neither of us will.
So let me play you the rest of what I made. Full length, no talking over the top. 30 seconds each, straight through, so you can judge it yourself.
Command? It just moved. It knows we're here.
Calm, fly answers. Devoid of emotion. Confirmed, it is answering your heartbeat. You didn't press the floor. So whoever did is already down there.
Now the other half of this model is what you feed it, because you're not stuck with just typing. You can hand it up to 50 references, 30 images, 10 video clips, 10 audio files all in one go. So what I have done here is I have given it 3 people, and in the prompt I say character A is reference 1, character B is reference 2, character C is reference 3, and then I describe what each of them is wearing. And you pull them straight out of your own generations. So anything you have made before is sitting right here, and you can just drop it in as a reference. And the reason this matters is group scenes. That is where AI video normally falls over. 3 people in a shot, and by the second cut, one of them has a different face. If it holds the references, it holds the scene. There is also an extend tab right here, which takes a video you have already made and carries it on. So you are not capped at 30 seconds, you build past it. Let's talk about what this actually costs, because nobody does. 30 seconds, 1080p with audio high bitrate. That is 270 credits, 1 generation. So the 5 I ran for this video came to 1,350 credits, and that is worth knowing before you sit down, because 30 seconds at 1080p is the big setting, and it takes about 15 minutes to come back. Which is also why the 5 free ones matter. That is basically 5 30-second 1080p generations for nothing, and that is a real amount of compute to be given. So what is good? 30 seconds in one pass is real, and it holds up. The timestamp control is the best part, and I did not expect that. The audio with 2 separate voices genuinely works, and it is 1080p with no watermark on it. Again, in summary, 30 seconds, 1 generation, 1080p, characters that hold, and audio that comes with it, and you direct it by timestamp instead of writing 1 paragraph and hoping Link is in the first line of the description. Seedance 2.5 at 1080p is on Higgsfield FIRST before anywhere else, and that is until Monday. New users get 5 free generations after you link a card, and that ends Tuesday, and use it on desktop. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.